Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at the My Data user interface. And first off, just a reminder that this is available to any user that's a data contributor. And for information on how to become a data contributing user, you can look at our registration video. If we go into the My Data function, we can see we have a number of filter options here. I'll just turn off the ones that are already on. So we can search by sample name, we can filter by data package, by the rock type using the mindat.org lithologies. We can look for different tags. We can also add some additional filters over here to refine our search. Also on this page, there's the bulk sample upload option, which is discussed in its dedicated video. Let's try apply a filter though. So if I apply the GSWA AusGeochem data package filter, we now have 1,500 results. I can filter that further by rock type. And if I wanted to, I could filter further by tags, for example. I've now got 35 results. If I want to select a few samples to download, I can tick on those boxes and I can click batch edit here. And then I can click on download. And those samples and their information are now saved to my computer. I'll just close out of that batch edit process and go back to the main view. Now to clear any filter, you can click on the box and go to this empty box here. Do the same here. And now our filters have been cleared and we have all the data available again. The same sort of function applies both to analytical data as well as other data tables that we have. For example, people, literature, and the rest of the tables here. So as I mentioned, there are other videos relating to bulk upload. There's also another video related to IGSN that I encourage you to watch as well.